Good day everyone! I'm Victoria Javellin. I'm from 8th grade of 3 Banguntapan Junior High School. I want to show you how to make handicraft. This is called duty multi-purpose case. This case model from this bottle. You can put pencil, pen, and others. First, you have to prepare all of the utensils that used to make it. This is used bottles, paint, spittle, scissors. Do you want to know how to make it? Let's follow this way. You have to follow this instruction. First, round the bottles with your appropriate shape. Second, cut the bottles. Then dry it under the sun. Finally, this is a cutie multi-purpose case. It is finished, already gone, and good luck! That's all, and see you!